I'd now like to show you how you can use some add-ins for Word. So these are external add-ins that you can download from various websites, and I'll show you where the websites are, and they appear in your toolbar or in the ribbon in Word. So of course there's a good spell checker in Word, and we've explored that, but it might be that the learner maybe needs something additional, and this is great for home use as well. So this document has loads of spelling mistakes in it. So what I'm going to do is I'm just going to go to bring up the couple of websites. So one is Ginger for a Ginger website, but there's also an add-in called Ginger for Windows. And this is the URL here, so it's ginger.com, Ginger for Windows, if you were to do a Google search for that. And you can download that and install it, and it becomes an extension in Word. Well, the other one, the one I use quite frequently actually, is Grammarly for Word, and there's one for Outlook as well. So it's a free one. I use both the free ones, and although you can get paid for ones, I find that the free ones really are very good. So this is where you would install it, and it becomes part of your Words ribbon. So let's go back to that Word document, and let's do the use Ginger spell check. So when I click onto the Ginger spell check, obviously you need to be online. I've got it set for UK. I then do check the document, and there you can see it's come up with some ideas. So I could then just go through the document, and you can either skip if you think the spelling isn't right, or you can accept that. So let's go through that again, and you can see again that looks quite good, so I'll accept that as well. And surprisingly, Wednesday, so let's just check again. Let's see if we can get that. Okay, so you can see it's not perfect, so maybe what I might have to do then is come there and do the Word one. Okay, so there we've got Word in there, and we can use the Word one to correct. So it's actually pretty good, but you see it's it does fall down sometimes. So